Ndeonu Mama Jesus, Afamobo, Madam Theresa Omimbojiso, all the way from Abagana. Is there a problem? Looking at this man like this, did I do something to you? It's your Omega and I still look way better than you ever will.
My name is Kevin. Friends call me KevinBlack.
KevinBlack.
Yeah, but today I am Chief. Once you see me in this attire, yes, call
that's
me
nice.
Chief.
Chief.
No, it's for people who don't make them. Chief for you. Call me
Chief for me.
Yes.
I never make them.
Yeah. When you make it, maybe now when you they make it.
At least that for me, but man. When was the last time you had such luxury in your homes?
No, I don't.
You pretty much drink it, don't you?
I don't use it as luxury. It's for the poor. Like you.
Let's get right on to why we are here. Hey, Chief, welcome. Chief, welcome to the show. So you had a member of dialect exchange, of course. I'll be speaking Anambra, Abagana precisely, and of course my wonderful guest.
Nsukka, Ovoko to be precise.
Nice,
yeah.
nice. Love it for you. The first word, or rather, statement. I am on my way.
Esomnuzo.
Oh, that's nice. The way we say it is anomnuzo. Egusi soup is very tasty. Hey, egusi soup is very tasty. Now, before we translate that, the last time I came to your home, I was wondering, what happened?
We knew. We knew you were coming.
Okay. That's good. Because
we knew you were coming. You cannot taste anything good. Because you make it when you get to that level. Yes.
Okay. Egusi soup is very tasty. Ofe egusi torizibo to.
Ofe egusi asogbonwe.
Osobonwe.
Ofe egusi soroso.
Soroso. Oh, okay. Nice. Toroto, soroso. Oh, the next one is a word. Cocoyam.
Cocoyam.
When I was growing up, cocoyam no face, soya like this, tinya no face. Very good soup thickener. Do you understand what that is? So,
Cocoyam abala.
Abala. When I was talking about what we used it for, or what we use it for, you look like you've never used it. And I'm a soup thickener. None of your soups now didn't thick. Water.
Okay, you use abala for soup thickening.
No, just that's one of the things we use it for.
Eating abala, not using it for.
Oh, how do you eat it?
It's too much in my place, abala.
Okay, so how do you eat it? Can you know?
Share kajina.
Did you guys swim mano or something?
Mano.
You don't say.
I'm telling
I've
you.
never had that. I should have it. Looking forward to it.
You should try it.
Yeah, we're Ede.
Ede.
Yes, Ede.
Wait. Okay, the one you're talking about, I thought is water yam. So that's the one that is abala. That looks like yam. But for cocoyam, Ede. No, in my place we call it nkashi.
Nkashi.
They have nkashi, they have uguta. Those are the two varieties.
Nkashi, no uguta.
Yes. They use it for two things. Food, soup thickener.
Right.
Or you use it like for echicha. You know what is echicha?
Yes.
You keep it on the sun, you sun it and dry it and use to eat. Nothing that looks like porridge. Yes. Or you boil it and eat it. Soup. Yes.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I'm just learning that. Oh, we're Oguta Road. No, in Anambra State. Have you ever been?
No,
so when you said Uguta, it kind of like, brought a lot of memories.
Yeah. All people get Chetarga now.
Excuse me?
Maybe they used to now.
Of course, I mean, Oguta is still more of a luxurious place than where you're from. So let's go on. The next statement is, coconut is not a vegetable. Pay attention, of course. I said coconut.
Okay, coconut, not cocoyam. Okay.
Yes. Coconut.
No, it's
not.
No, it's not. You know when you are pretending to come from a certain place, like you sabi speak, so you'll be misplacing a lot of things.
Oh, my dear, I'm not pretending, okay? I'm not, really.
About your camera, I know how you sound.
Of course. Let's just get right on to the translation. Yes. It's a
Akpokpo abuge kwukwo nri.
Akpokpo.
Akpokpo is coconut.
Yes, akpokpo.
Just like your head. The one without water, Sha. That's the one that looks like.
Oh yes, there's a brain in there, not the one, the one that has water.
Yeah.
Akpokpo. Abago. Ekwukwanri.
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 It's not nri. Nri.
What? Say that again.
Nri.
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 Or NRI.
It's different. Nri is not nri.
Because you just spell that for our producers and they'll put that in the subtitles.
Nri is food in Nsukka. Nri. Not nri. Ekwukwanri is vegetable.
For someone who, does not have a formal education, you're very good at educating. Good for you. So, I'll try to say Akuyebo. Akuyebo.
Okay.
Aburakwani.
Okay.
Yes, Akuyebo Aburakwani. But you can see the similarities there. At
least we have our own original word. You are saying Akuyebo. That's kernel of the white people. How does that make sense?
The next word is something you're familiar with.
What's it?
A dog. Yes. Surprisingly, I'm surprised that you have your own, ability, your capacity to, have conversations, go out on your own. One would think,
could have killed a lot. I'm telling you, look at my face, like I could have killed a lot of people.
Which is what we call it. The last time I checked, your wife pretty much treated you like a dog. But glad to see that, you're back in control and everything. Chief. So, King Good
Nketa is Ugodu.
Ugodu.
Yeah, just
almost reminds me of Ogodo, which is what we call rapper.
No,
but Ugodu.
Yeah.
But I'm not from Nketa and say, oh, no, Ugodu.
And when this local ones, so they can go and get a cookie. Okay.
Nice. Ekuke, yes. That's what we also call it, back in Anambra State. Ekuke.
Yeah,
let's get right on to the next, shall we?
Go to Kaigawan.
Yes.
I mean,
my mother is a strong woman, and this goes out to all the mothers out there doing quite amazingly. So and myself, of course. I don't know about your wife, but I think she's trying.
My wife. You're trying so hard to be funny. I was like you, but I come a long way, so I don't struggle like this to be funny. So let's move over to why.
Yes, let's do it. So yes, my mother is a strong woman.
Mam, bonye bashirike.
Mam,
bonye bashirike.
Onyenye bashirike. Onyenye translating to what? Woman.
Onyenye.
Woman.
A woman.
Okay. Bashirike, that's strength.
Yes.
Nice. What we say?
Onyenye karaka.
Onyenye karaka. I mean, no, akabunaka. To deal with you must have been a lot. So let's get right on to what we call it. Name of wanyi sirike. Name mother. Wanyi woman.
I'm a man sirike. One day different. If any Syrian in Kenya. So onyenye is wanyi. Njom. Women.
Oh, the plural, njomo. Well, plural of wanyi would be umwanyi. Yes.
Onyenye.
Umwanyi.
Njomo.
Nice.
Onyeke. As a man. Njikom. Men.
Nwoke is what we call, man. Yeah. Then umwoke, men.
That's like me, men. People like me, men.
So you classify yourself as more than a person, more than one.
Even abai, that's njom for umuwine. Then njomume, like ndi umume ha joronjo.
Hot water.
Munyoka.
What?
Munyoka.
Muni.
Yes.
Munyoka. I have to kind of like,
Yeah.
Trying to pronounce the word.
Yeah,
Can your wife relate? Can she relate?
Cannot relate.
Yeah,
no, we don't use. We don't use flat tires. Cannot relate. Don't worry.
Yeah. So what we would say for hot water, bogene milioko.
Munyoka.
I love how that sounds because it reminds me of mushi.
Okay. Those are the memories you have now. I never.
Yes, I love how I'm always talking about the places I'm reminded of, but you seem to not have any place because you've been stuck at a place your entire life.
If I want to mention place, I know where to mention.
Really? Do tell.
I should tell.
Yes, please. Just for documentary sake.
Don't worry. Let's just get familiar with your own.
Oh,
your own past
because
and your presence too. Let's go. It's all right.
Yes. Thank you to the very, very, very amazing. I can know the very amazing Chief.
Yes.
KevinBlack, of course. And quite literally, because sometimes I wonder. Lovely for you to join the show. Love it. Thank you so much. I'm Madam Theresa Mimboji, so all the way from Abagana. And don't you dare forget my guest, Ovoko Nsukka. Do join us on the next episode.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
That's all.
Oh, but that's sometimes I don't know.
You forget yourself. Yeah. It's normal.
Cut the video producer. Go back to your home. Thank you.
Try the brush, Sha.